We have the next chapter, chapter number 6 on page 113. So you can write down the date and you can just write down the name of the chapter.
अब हमने बाकी क्वेश्चन नहीं करने.
No, beta.
हम क्यों?
Beta, if you are aware, because of this COVID situation, you are not going to school as you would usually do. And usually if you go to school in a week, you have 7 lectures of math.
Okay.
में 7 classes लगती हैं और अभी कितनी लग रही हैं? 2.
Ma'am, 2.
Yes. So CBSE has given instructions to reduce the syllabus for all the classes. For classes 9, 10th, plus 1, plus 2, it's been done by the CBSE itself. And for the classes up to 8, the school has been advised to do it on their own. That's why we have changed deleted some questions. We have not deleted topics. We are trying to make sure that you cover everything. You should be aware of कि आपको क्या क्या आना चाहिए, सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए. But we have deleted a few questions, like just to keeping in mind कि हमारे पास time कम है और work बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Okay, ma'am.
So as the name suggests, triangle and its properties, this complete chapter is based on triangle. There are few things you know about a triangle and there are many new things which you are going to learn in this chapter. We are going to start with the definitions and we will be doing it in parts, like I will be writing down and discussing side by side. So first thing we want to know is what a triangle is. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. And in your book, you can mark it that they have written that a polygon is actually a simple closed curve. So if you draw a triangle on your notebook, you can draw it without lifting your pencil and without overlapping any of the parts. So if I had to draw a triangle, I would just start and I would just come back to the starting point. So closed means you come back to the same place where you started from. I'm not going in detail. We are just focusing on polygon with 3 sides. Polygon is a shape which is made up of only line segments. It is simple shape and it is closed and it has 3 line segments. And those 3 line segments are called the sides of your triangle.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Right now, I'm not saying anything. Earlier, I was mentioning, I'm writing, that's why I'm not speaking. Triangle is a polygon with 3 sides, and the parts of a triangle are its 3 sides, 3 angles, and 3 vertices. Last year, you had a chapter where you learned how to write down the sides of a triangle, the angles of a triangle, and the vertices of a triangle. बहुत सारे questions थे. We are just going to recall what we already know, and then we will learn about the new things. So as you can see, like if you just look at the first page of your book, this page, page 113, you would be able to see that these things you've already done last year. For a triangle, if you want to know what are the sides, what are the angles, what are the vertices, and how do we write down the name of a triangle, and the types of triangles, everything is done by you last year. So this is something we've done previously. We are going to revise it. थोड़ा सा रिकॉल करेंगे हम, उसके बाद जो नई चीजें हैं हम वो करेंगे. तो मैं ज्यादा डिटेल में इसलिए नहीं लिख रही हूँ ये, बिकॉज ये आपने पहले से किया हुआ है. जो न्यू टॉपिक्स आएंगे हम वो डिटेल में लिखेंगे. So triangle is a shape made up with 3 line segments. Those line segments are called the sides of the triangle. अगर हम triangle के parts की बात करें तो हमारे पास उसकी sides होंगी, उसके angles होंगे और उसके vertices होंगे. और triangle की कितनी sides हैं, कितने angles हैं, कितने vertices हैं, आपको ये भी पता है. If you want, you can just write down what's the symbol for a triangle before we write down the example. So you can write down here the symbol used to write down the name is this. इरिस्पेक्टिव कि आपके ट्राइंगल की शेप कैसी है, आपके ट्राइंगल की शेप जैसी मर्जी हो, जैसी मर्जी शेप हो, आपके ट्राइंगल की सिंबल यही यूज करना है आपने. सो एज फॉर नाउ आई हैव दिस ट्राइंगल ABC, एंड फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू द अदर पॉइंट, from one point to the other point, you can identify the sides of the triangle. And remember, the points are actually the corners that you can see here. And those corners are forming vertices. So this point here is a vertex, the corner, and the corner at B, the corner at C. These are the vertices. And from one corner to another corner, you can see a path. This path is called the side of the triangle because this forms a line segment from point A to point B or B to A. You can go from A to B or you can go from B to A. In either case, आपको ये वाली side मिलेगी. This is the line segment AB and it forms one of the sides of the triangle. Similarly, from point B to point C, between these two, ये वाला जो है नीचे base जो बना हुआ है, this is also one side, and from A to C. I'm going to write down, this is triangle ABC, and I'm going to write down its sides, and then I'm going to write down its vertices, and then its angles.
Ma'am, do we have to write it?
Yes, of course. I could send it later also, but you can do it side by side. If you want, I can send it later. Can anyone tell me what are the names of the vertices here? Vertices are points,
A,
remember.
B, and C.
A,
B, and C.
That's correct. Sides are line segments. Sides are line segments. So you need 2 points. Vertices are points. So you will just have one letter. You will just have one letter. So A is a point, B is a point, and C is a point. And then angles. At each of these vertices, you can get an angle. You can simply write down the angle by the name of the point at which it is formed, or you can write down the complete name. I'm going to write down the short name. This is just angle A. This one, this is angle A, or you can write it as a full name, BAC. You could even reverse the order. This can also be written as CAB, but A will be in the middle. The vertex will be in the middle. Then you have your next triangle, the second one is at B. This is angle B. It can also be written as ABC, or it can be written as CBA. Now B is in the middle. And then finally you have angle at C. This is angle C, or you can call it ACB or BCA. Anyone with any questions who does not remember that we have done this already last year?
Excuse me, मैम.
Yes.
मैम जो हमने एंगल सीखा है मैम, इसमें हमने कोई भी एंगल बना सकते हैं मैम, एंगल ए या ये 3 एंगल्स के साथ.
Could you please ask again? I don't understand.
मैम जैसे आपने एंगल्स लिखे ना, एंगल ए और एंगल BAC। मैम इन तीनों में से मैम हम कोई भी एंगल लिख सकते हैं?
Yes, name. You're talking about the name. Yes, you can write anyone.
ओके मैम।
When I just simply write ABC, it's like just using the first name. Like for example, my name is Sakshi Sharma. So if I write angle A, it's like just calling Sakshi. And then अगर हम पूरा नाम लिख रहे हैं, it's like using its arms also. Then it's like Sakshi Sharma. हमने पूरा नाम बताया है. And that's required जब multiple angles बनते हैं. अभी यहाँ पे तो हर point पे सिर्फ एक एक angle बन रहा है. आप simply angle A, simply B, simply C भी लिख दोगे वो भी चलेगा.
मल्टीपल एंगल्स कैसे एक ट्रायंगल में?
ट्राइंगल में नहीं बनते ना वो. व्हेन आई एक्सप्लेन टू यू इन लाइंस एंड एंगल्स, दैट्स व्हेन you need to write down the full name. In this triangle you have only one angle at one vertex. Like you will have multiple triangles. If you can recall last year you had this type of shape इस तरह से. अब यहाँ पे अगर हम ABC लिखते हैं तो A पे ये एंगल बन रहा है एक, दूसरा ये बन रहा है, और अगर आपको तीसरा आइडेंटिफाई करना हो तो तीसरा एंगल बन रहा है दोनों को मिला के. तो 3 एंगल्स बन रहे हैं, 1, 2 and 3. यहाँ पे आप सिंपली ए लिखोगे तो पता नहीं चलेगा कौन सा है. यू नीड टू राइट डाउन फुल नेम. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. बट अभी हम इस पे फोकस नहीं कर रहे. अभी हम सिर्फ अंडरस्टैंड कर रहे हैं कि हमें ट्राइंगल के बारे में क्या क्या ऑलरेडी पता है.
मतलब
किया हुआ है आपने. दैट्स आपने किया हुआ है. एनीवन विद एनी क्वेश्चंस स्टिल हियर? ऑलराइट.
No, ma'am.
We are going to write down now the types of triangle. So when you write down the types of triangles, there are two ways you can do that. First of all, you can look at what is the length of the sides of the triangle, and then you can tell its type. आप पहले ट्राइंगल की साइड्स की लेंथ देखो और उसको देख के बता सकते हो कि ट्राइंगल कैसा है. सेकेंड थिंग यू कैन डू इज यू कैन लुक एट द एंगल्स ऑफ द ट्राइंगल कि उसके एंगल्स की वैल्यू कैसी है, एंड देन यू कैन टेल व्हाट टाइप ऑफ ट्राइंगल इट इज. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write down on the basis of length of the sides. If you have opened your book already, you might be remembering this. So the first one is equilateral. Sahaj, but I'll send the definitions after the class is over. I'll send it again. Equilateral triangle is the one in which all sides are equal.
Next is isosceles.
Yes. That's good. You remember. What's special about isosceles triangle?
Only two sides are equal.
Only two sides are equal.
Two sides are equal.
Scale triangle exists.
Then the third one is, yes, that's correct, Lovepreet.
Scale triangle.
Very good.
All sides are different.
Going to the second way we can tell what type of a triangle is. It's on the basis of measures of angles.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Yes.
मैम ये जैसे अपने एंगल्स पिछले ट्रायंगल में लिखे हैं एग्जांपल वाले में, मैम जैसे अपने और लिखा है मैम कि हमने तीनों लिखने हैं?
Not necessary.
ओके मैम.
Now, do you remember these names? The ones I've written here? That's correct, Bhavya. That's correct. I hope you remember this. The types of triangles
Yes,
based on, yes, on the measures. What do
Yes,
you know about
ma'am.
acute angle triangle?
Angle formed between 90 degrees.
and 90 degrees.
Right is 90. Acute.
Ma'am, between 0
90
degrees and 90 degrees.
Each angle is acute. That means less than 90 degrees.
90.
Obtuse angle is a triangle in which
90.
one
90 to
angle
180 degrees.
is obtuse between 90 degrees and 180 degrees.
180 degrees.
And right angle is,
One side is right angle.
one angle is a
90 degrees.
right angle is an angle whose measure is 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Ma'am, please wait.
Sure.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, please wait for a minute.
Okay, अच्छा.
Ma'am, done.
Are anybody have a question? Raise your hand. Okay. Now there is one thing we want to learn here, how to identify the opposite side of a vertex. I'm going to take this triangle here, the one given in your book. If I look at this triangle, A is a vertex. If you're writing down, please stop writing and just focus here. We have this triangle ABC. A, B, C are the three corners. So one corner is A, one corner is B, the third corner is C. These are the three corners. And if I had to mark the sides of this triangle, A, B is one side, B, C is the second side, and AC is the third side. If I want to know which side is opposite to A के opposite कौन सी side है? It will be BC.
C.
And what about the side which is opposite to B?
AC.
And what about the side which is opposite to C?
AB.
That's correct.
AB.
That's correct. Before we do the next topic, this is important to understand. Now, the next topic that you have is on the next page of your book, page number 114. I will discuss with you. We will write the definition afterwards. So the next thing that we have is, and you are doing this for the first time, it's medians of the triangle. And they have defined here what happens when you draw a median is, let's draw a triangle first of all. So I'm going to use like different colors so that it can be done. Then we have this. And then let's take the third side from here up to here. So I've drawn 3 line segments as you have seen, right? Let's name this triangle as A, B, and C. If I want to draw the median of triangle, I would like to divide one of the sides into half. So I would like to know where the side gets divided into 2 equal parts. Let us say I want to draw a median for the side BC. What I will do is I'm going to draw a line segment from the opposite vertex. मुझे BC पे मीडियन ड्रॉ करनी है. What I'm going to do is BC के सामने जो वर्टेक्स है यहाँ से एक लाइन आएगी. From A there would be a line और वो इस तरह से आएगी that when it meets this BC, जो वो BC को टच करेगी, BC will get divided into 2 equal parts. This is what happens. So if there is a line segment,
But this is not equal.
Sorry,
But this is not equal.
I am just telling you, I am just trying to tell you that from A there will be a line segment. जब हम वो ड्रॉ करें और हमारा जो नीचे वाली साइड है उसके 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स हो जाएं, सो BD और DC इक्वल हो जाएं. अब इमेजिन ये करो, आप अज्यूम ये कर सकते हो कि हमारे पास एक ट्राइंगल था ABC और उसकी जो नीचे वाली साइड थी वो 8 सेंटीमीटर्स थी. तो D पे वो हाफ हो रही है. D को हम क्या बोलेंगे? पॉइंट D इज दी मिड पॉइंट और 2 पार्ट्स हो जाएंगे
Median.
4 सेंटीमीटर्स 4 सेंटीमीटर्स. जो सामने वाला वर्टेक्स है A, उसको अगर मैं BC से मिड पॉइंट से जोड़ती हूँ. Could you please mute your microphone for a moment here because I think there's disturbance in the background. Yeah. So if I join point A with this midpoint, this line segment is called the median.
Yes.
Okay. This is what they have done. So whenever you want to draw median of a triangle, what you want to do is from any one corner, draw a line segment, and that line segment should be joined to the midpoint of opposite side. I'll do it once again for you. I'm going to just take a simple triangle here. So let's say we have this triangle. Let's change the name. Let's name it as X, Y, and Z. So if I want to draw a median, what I want to do is I would like to draw a line segment from any one corner. किसी भी corner से draw कर सकते हो. So I could draw from
Ma'am,
here.
आपने क्या बोला? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Achyut.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आपने अभी क्या बोला? रिपीट कर दो मैम, मेरा कनेक्शन टूट गया था.
I am saying that whenever you want to draw the median of a triangle, हम क्या करेंगे? हम एक कॉर्नर से लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करना स्टार्ट करेंगे और वो जो लाइन सेगमेंट होगा उसको कहाँ पे जाके ज्वाइन करना है? It will be the midpoint of the opposite side. तो यहाँ पे सपोज मैं Y से ड्रॉ करना चाहती हूँ, ठीक है? I want to draw a line segment from Y. मुझे पता है मुझे स्टार्ट यहाँ से करना है, बट आई शुड नो मुझे रुकना कहाँ पे है. तो रुकने के लिए मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि इसके जो सामने वाली साइड है उसका हाफ कहाँ पे हो रहा है. तो इसके सामने जो साइड है वो है XZ, राइट? इस साइड का हाफ कहाँ पे हो रहा है? तो सपोज इसका हाफ यहाँ पे हो रहा है और इस हाफ वाले पॉइंट को हम बोलते हैं मिड पॉइंट. और इस मिड पॉइंट का नाम रख देते हैं. लेट्स नेम दिस पॉइंट एज M. Standard has started. Just a minute left, please. So when I say M is the midpoint of XZ, that means M की वजह से ये जो एक्स जेड था इसके दो पार्ट्स बन गए, एक ये पोर्शन है और एक ये वाला पोर्शन है। ये पोर्शंस इक्वल होंगे, एक्स एम और एम जेड, दीज टू पार्ट्स विल बी इक्वल। और मुझे अब ज्वाइन किसको करना है, y को m के साथ ज्वाइन करना है। सो अगर मैं y से m तक ऐसे लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ कर दूं, ये बन जाएगी मीडियन।
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and I can do it from any one corner. I can do from x to this side यहाँ पे, and I can do from z also. If I do it from z, then it will look like this, and as you can see, this triangle now has 3 medians.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. I hope it's clear to everyone. It's very important that whenever you join any one point to the opposite side, that last point should be the midpoint. No, beta, you don't have to find out the midpoint using a ruler. आपको जरूरी नहीं है measure करके करना है, हम अंदाजे से mark कर देंगे, देख के उस लाइन सेगमेंट को कि यहाँ पे अप्रोक्सीमेटली इसका हाफ हो रहा है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम उसको ज्वाइन कर देंगे। ऑल राइट
मैम ज्वाइन वन नहीं करनी है मैम, मिड पॉइंट।
Yes, you have to, like at a time we can do for one, but if you want you can do all three. One vertex, opposite side ka midpoint. This is what you want to remember for median. So median actually joins vertex with midpoint of opposite side.
मैम
I hope you understand, because I will write down the definitions and we are going to discuss once again. I hope right now it's clear. It's written here, a median connects vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of opposite side. Anyone with questions here?
मैम
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, Achyut?
मैम
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 मैंने नो कर, मैम कुछ और ना कर।
Okay, Lovepreet?
मैम ये जो अक्यूट एंगल है और ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल है मैम, वो कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे हम?
आपको कुछ नहीं मेजर करना, बिल्कुल बिना मेजर किए ड्रॉ करना है। सिंपली जस्ट अ रूलर एंड अ पेंसिल एंड ड्रॉ। जैसी शेप पिक्चर क्वेश्चन में बनी होगी वैसी कॉपी कर लेना बिना मेजर किए।
ओके मैम।
The next thing that we have is altitude of